Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best back shavers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver. The MANGROOMER Back Shaver uses electricity to work, and you can simply relax while you shave your back. It is designed for guys who hate to lift their arms and who do not like doing their shaving in the shower. This product is capable of shaving your back hair in wet or dry conditions, and it allows you more room to work. It has an ergonomic handle that makes it possible for you to reach and shave all areas of your back. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 3100. The Philips Norelco Back Shaver is hypoallergenic, so it does not irritate your back. It is perfect for guys who have sensitive skin. Plus it has a shaving head that functions as the protection for your skin against cuts and nicks while you shave. This back shaver is great for shaving your back, underarms, chest, and any hair under your neck. It is great for guys with minimum to zero flexibility. This back shaver can effortlessly extend up to 15 inches. The self-sharpening blades offer the utmost precision. It comes with 3 fixed combs. At number 3, we have the baKblade 2.0 Plus. The baKblade back shaver is an innovative product that has a curved design that makes it possible for you to remove your back hair comfortably. It is great for guys who have stiff backs or short arms since the handle is quite long. The handle of this back shaver has an S shape, and that allows you to shave your back with ease for a long period of time. This product can shave your hair in one sweep rather than going back over and over. At number 2, we have the MANBLADE Pro Back Hair Shaver. The MANBLADE back shaver has a significantly long handle of 18 inches, which allows you to remove hair from your entire back easily. The 6 inches blade width is perfect for guys who are blessed with tall heights and want to get the job done quickly. The best thing about this product is the flexibility when it comes to replacement blades, since it can accommodate all types of blades. This back shave is smooth to use thanks to the rolling shave design, and it reduces the risk of razor burn or skin irritation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Back Shaver DIY Back Hair Shaver and Body Shaver. The Pateau Back Shaver is designed to work in both dry and wet conditions. You can use your favorite shaving cream to provide extra smoothness in your shaving process, but this product can also work without any lubrication. This is a very safe back shaver to use, thanks to the safety guard that protects your skin from getting razor cuts or burns. It has a detachable cutting head that is replaceable, and the handle can be adjusted according to your preference. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.